The ultimate guide to lace closure and lace frontal. Choosing your perfect match in 2026. Achieving a flawless, natural-looking hairline is the holy grail of wearing wigs and weaves. If you are stepping into the world of hair extensions, you have likely encountered the terms lace closure and lace frontal. But what exactly are they? And how do you decide which one fits your lifestyle? Whether you are looking for low-maintenance beauty or high-glam versatility, this guide breaks down everything you need to know about the difference between lace closure and lace frontal, helping you invest wisely in your next hairstyle. https://ultimate-guide-to-lace-closure-and-lace-frontal/ Hashtag lace closure and lace frontal. Hashtag different between lace closure and lace frontal. Hashtag human hair lace closure and frontal. Number 6x6 HD lace closure wig. Hashtag raw hair luxury.